Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change the language on Discord. Whether you're trying to switch to your native language or just exploring new options, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once it's launched, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it. Next, in the top right corner of the screen, locate the gear icon. This icon represents the settings menu. Tap on it to open your user settings. Now, scroll down until you reach the section labeled App Settings. Within this section, you'll find an option called Language. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of available languages. Browse through the options and select your preferred language by tapping on it. Once you make your selection, Discord will immediately update its interface to reflect your chosen language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Discord. Enjoy navigating the app in your preferred language. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.